Difficult to bear toothache, gum disease. Teeth and gums must be healthy in order to chew, bite, and taste food. Enjoying food, one of the joys of life. Even delicious food can only be enjoyed with healthy gums. Introducing tea that can help promote gum health in daily life.
If you watch the video until the end, you can see the efficacy, precautions, and business tips, along with the introduction of famous Korean production, sites, and nearby tourist attractions. Thank you for subscribing, liking.
Suddenly occurring toothache, gum disease. Those who have experienced unbearable toothache even once know the importance of gum care. I would like to introduce an effective way to take care of your gums in your daily life, with just a cup of tea. This crop is grown throughout various regions in Korea, but one of the most famous places for cultivation is Gangwon Province. Gangwon Province is mostly a mountainous region with large temperature differences between day and night, minimal pollution and pests, and little use of pesticides, making it famous for its high-quality crops. It is also a popular area among both domestic and foreign tourists, as it is easily accessible from Seoul. The province has many national parks such as Seoraksan, Odaesan, and Shiksan, and is home to coastal cities like Gangneung, Sokcho, and Donghae, where many people visit during the summer for vacations. Then what is good for toothache and gum disease? It's corn, especially the corn cob, which is removed corn kernel from corn. In Korea, there are many types of tea made from corn, such as corn kernel tea, corn silk tea, corn leaf tea, and corn cob tea. Today, I would like to introduce corn cob tea, and I will introduce other types of tea made from corn in the future. What do you drink this too as tea? They ask, but we extract and make effective medicine ingredients for gum disease from the corn cob. Corn cob contains a lot of beta-sitosterol, which eliminates oral bacteria, suppresses tooth decay, prevents bleeding of gums and muscle tissue, and helps regenerate gum blood vessels, thus preventing gum disease. In addition, corn cob contains lecithin, tocopherol, and beta-carotene, which are good for improving skin texture and beauty, and enhancing immunity. The method for making corn cob tea is to remove the dried corn kernel from uncooked corn and boil 1 to 2 corn cob with 1 liter of water over high heat. When the water boils, reduce the heat to medium and continue boiling for 20 minutes. The boiled corn cob tea can be enjoyed as a warm drink or as a substitute for water. It can also be cooled and used as a gargle. Corn cob tea can help alleviate toothache and gum inflammation, as well as effectively remove bad breath. If you drink it after meals or before bedtime, it can help maintain gum health. However, if you have a weak digestive system, drinking corn cob tea may cause stomach pain. Also, if you have high blood sugar levels, you should be cautious when consuming corn cob tea, especially if you are someone who pays attention to blood sugar management in your daily life.
Shagum and subscribe like are the fastest ways to meet a new world of tea that is helpful for life.
Corn cob tea is made by boiling 1 corn cob and 1 liter of water for 20 minutes. After boiling, remove the corn cob and store the tea separately. The color of the tea is a light yellow, as you can see. The aroma is not very strong, but it has a slightly nutty smell. The taste is mildly savory and slightly sweet. If you prefer a stronger taste and aroma, I recommend boiling the corn cob tea with some corn kernels. Since they are from the same corn, they complement each other well in taste and aroma. Corn cob tea can also have a soothing effect if you hold it in your mouth for a while and then spit it out if you have mild toothache or gum disease. It can also be used as a post-meal mouthwash to freshen your breath. For those who consume cola or late-night meals and find it cumbersome to brush their teeth, holding corn cob tea in your mouth and gargling with it can help prevent gum disease and tooth decay. I have considered why corn cob tea, which is good for gum disease, is not yet available in the market. In Korea, corn tea and corn silk tea are readily available in supermarkets. However, corn cob tea is only available in herbal markets or online. It could be due to the fact that corn cob tea is not as well known as other types of tea, so it may not have as much demand in the market. Additionally, the production and distribution of corn cob tea may be more difficult than other teas, since it requires the use of specific parts of the corn plant. However, with more people becoming interested in natural remedies and traditional medicine, there could be an opportunity for corn cob tea to gain more popularity and become more widely available in the market. There are 3 types of corn tea: corn tea made from corn kernels, corn silk tea made from corn silk, and corn cob tea made from corn cob. Corn kernel tea has a sweet taste and can be enjoyed as a caffeine-free alternative to water. Corn silk tea has diuretic properties, which can help reduce swelling, and corn cob tea is effective for gum disease. Chagam thinks that the reason why there are so many different types of tea made from one corn is because each part of the corn has unique properties and benefits. By combining corn kernels, corn silk, and corn cob in different ways, we can create teas that target different health concerns and offer a range of flavors. However, it would be interesting to try blending them all together to create a complete corn tea. Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. We hope that you take good care of your gums and enjoy a healthy and happy life. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like. Until now, it was Cha Gom, a bear who drinks tea.